Hey, so my video is on these plaques that I made for my trees and bushes that are around the yard. And the first one I have here is a blue maid. That's the name of it. And it's also called false holly and holly olive and all these other names that I cannot pronounce. So that's my first plaque. Okay, so here I have another plaque that I made. And this plant here is called a climbing euonymus, or it's also known as a winter creeper and creeping spin something. Um, so yeah, that's the plaque I made for this plant. This plaque I made, and this is called a Lapland Rose Bay, or you could call it a Lapland azalea, Lapland rhododendron. Um, yeah, so this is the plaque I made for this bush. This is a plaque I made from a leaf that I found in the yard, and the leaf comes from a northern red oak tree. So this plaque took me a long time. I made this plaque for the northern red oak. Okay, this plant bush that's in the yard, this is actually, look at that, nice. It's called the Japanese pyrus. And there's other names for it too. Lily of the valley bush and some other names that I cannot pronounce. Plant bush. I made this plaque for this. It's called a common periwinkle. If you can see the leaves on that. And it's also known as myrtle, lesser periwinkle, running myrtle, and a botanical name is Vinca minor. Made this plaque for this. It's called a mountain laurel. You see the buds on the end of it. And it's also known as spoonwood or calico bush, mountain laurel. This plaque I made is for Japanese maple. And since it is wintertime, it's not spring yet, you can see the buds. And this is a beautiful tree. It has bright red leaves. It's also known as weeping red Japanese lace leaf maple. I made this plaque especially for the western red cedar. As you can see that, the green. And it's also known as the British Columbia red cedar or Pacific red cedar, western red cedar. So that's the plaque I made for this bush. Okay, so this is a stick from the bush in the front of the house. It doesn't have any leaves on it right now because it's wintertime. And as you can see, this stick there, really thick stick. It's called a burning bush or a winged burning bush or winged spindle tree. And this is the plaque I made for this. I made this plaque for the Japanese barberry bush. It's also known as red barberry, and as you can see, it has thorns throughout it. In the springtime, you get little tiny red leaves. Japanese barberry. This is the plaque I made for it. This is my last plaque that I made. And as you can see, these leaves, they go to a pink rose bush. And right now it's winter. There's no roses that are on the bush. And this is the last of my plaques that I made today.